wind devastation. We had a gusting wind that probably went 80 miles an hour, and my dog is acting up too. I know, it's really bad. Yep, it's really bad. So let's go here in the back. I'll show you guys what happened. My silk fence right here is still okay. Chicken coop, thank God, still okay. But the other side right here, that part right there is down, totally down. I guess that's where the wind blew and put all my silk fence down. So that's some work I need to do. Crazy, crazy extreme wind here in the desert. Freaking ridiculous. Anyway, see what we can do. I need to put that up so my plants, my new trees won't get eaten by rabbits. Jackrabbits, that is. Today we'll be planting some grapes again. It's called the Black Manuka seedless table grapes. This is a medium reddish purple seedless berries, very hardy, very hard. Large, loose clusters of very sweet fruits. So we're trying this. It's gonna be near the our fire pit right there. The other one is right there on the other side, on the right. But we'll be planting it right here, guys. So almost springtime, so it's time to plant these fruit trees. Look at that, guys. Nice roots. Nice roots. We're out and about. I'm trying to sound like Canadian, but we're in the States, guys. We're done with these grapes, so we're gonna plant other fruit trees that we purchased. So it's a good time right now. So guys, start planting those fruit trees or trees that's gonna help with the environment. All right. Oops, sorry. We're done with this one. One more to go. All right. Last one. All right, we're gonna plant the last one. It's a Jojuro Asian pear. Jojuro Asian pear. Semi-dwarf. So I guess it's small. Cho. Chojuro. Cho. Juro. 10 to 12 feet. So close. I said 15 feet. Not bad. Not too tall. Alright. Let's think out. Roots, and you guys can see that they cut it right here. They cut all the long roots and kept the fibrous ones, which is good. So that's where it's grafted at right here. So we'll put it probably around right here on the ground. You don't want to cover this up. We're done planting all our fruit trees for now. Asian pear has been planted. We water it in here and put some sawdust that was in the packaging. That's going to help with retaining the soil and preventing it from the elements, from the cold, from the heat, and all that. So make sure, guys, to subscribe, so you guys can be updated on all our food forests here, desert food forest. So we have approximately maybe 8 to 10 more trees to plant. We need to plant some oranges, some lemon, citrus trees. Hello. Echo. Anyway, a few more here in the back, a few in there in the sides, in front. So for now, we're concentrating here in this area. Later on, we can extend it furthermore on our 5-acre land here. So for now, we're just going to concentrate in this area, so it's better, so we can manage it better. Guys, make sure to subscribe, press that notification bell so you guys can be notified on our updates or uploads, and also make sure to press that like button and leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think, and make sure anyway, it's Jess and Romy from Solid Gold Show.